Hi there, solar companies. I'm Bill from EnergyBin. Today I'm here to give you tip number 3 from our series, 10 Tips for Buying Wholesale Solar Equipment. In your supply chains, have you ever found gaps that hinder your relationships with your customers? Or have you found bottlenecks that cost you sales with prospects? Tip number 3 is meant to minimize these risks. We recommend that you nurture relationships with a variety of wholesalers. Chances are you have a favorite vendor you tend to call first when you're placing an order. That's great. Keep that relationship going. But what happens when the vendor doesn't have what you need? Distributors, in particular, tend to stock limited SKUs. They prefer newly released models over older modules that have higher risk and are becoming obsolete. Yet you may be in the market for older models to satisfy your demand. You may also discover that your primary vendor can get what you need, but it's backlogged, and it's adversely affecting your daily operations. Why delay operations while you can wait for the equipment, knowing that delays could result in cancellations? Rather, turn to our suppliers who can meet your needs today. For these reasons, it makes good sense to have a number of wholesalers on your short call list. That's our wholesale buying tip for today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get more tips and resources about buying and selling solar wholesale equipment. To learn more about EnergyBin, the B2B solar equipment trading community, visit our website or call us today.